It's the Young, Gifted and Black Entrepreneurial Awards. Come chat with me. We're inside of the house tonight. Yeah, I'm your old Ziggie Bless. And we're going to cover the night real top style. So keep it locked. The Young, Gifted and Black Entrepreneurial Awards program placed an emphasis on individuals that continue to reach levels of success through hard work and determination. The annual Black Tie Awards dinner and reception was held at 26 Bridge Street in Brooklyn.
Let me first congratulate our 2019 honorees who continue to raise the bar within their respective industries by daring to be a beacon of hope and inspiration to family, friends, and colleagues. This year, our theme for the awards is about love. By definition, love is an intense feeling of deep affection, a great interest and pleasure in something, or love is unconditional affection with no limits or conditions. When we strive for excellence, for those things that drive our entrepreneurial passion, it's all about the love you have inside that fuels our need to succeed. Honorees, I salute you. Cheers.
Wise men say only fools rushing, but I can't help falling in love with you.
Susan L. Taylor, founder and CEO of National Cares Mentoring Movement and Editor-in-Chief Emeritus of Essence magazine, received the Lifetime Achievement Award, acknowledging her present work with NCMM by giving back to communities and her extensive 20-year career, having been noted as the most influential Black woman in journalism today by American libraries.
My father is from St. Kitts, and my grandmother is from Barbados. I want to tell young people to just keep striving, keep moving forward, and come out of our silos and do businesses together so that we don't have tiny little entities, but we can grow large corporations. So we have to really understand the importance of linking arms and aims and ideas and pooling our dollars, trusting one another, getting along with one another, and building forward. We have to buy Black. We have to buy from within our communities so that we grow our businesses.
Making her mark across all platforms as an actress, singer, songwriter, writer, dancer, motivational speaker, influencer, and model.
If you know me, you know I absolutely adore and love and admire Miss Simone and all of her work artistically and politically. And I've always appreciated her work, but I really fell in love with her after I watched her documentary, What Happened, Miss Simone, on Netflix. And it really sparked my creativity and activism into overdrive. And like Nina, I never like to be confined to one thing. That's why I completely love the word artistic or artist. Most of you probably know me as Raina St. Patrick from Power, or maybe you guys know me as my guest star role on Orange is the New Black. I play Monica Hayes, Black Cindy's daughter, or maybe some of you know me as Chase from The Detour, and the list goes on.
Executive Chef Winford P. Simpson, who prepared the 5-course meal for the reception, receives the YGB Millennium Business Culinary Award of Excellence. Best known for his delightful and creative meals, showcasing his culinary expertise and cooking shows, and being the ambassador for the O program in Jamaica.
I'm thinking to myself, all I do is create great food, and I'm doing something that I'm passionate about doing. I'm doing something that I love to do.
I'm representative of the empowerment of our community, and I want to be here among some beautiful people who are not only beautiful externally but internally.
People hear the word Billionaires Row, the first thing they think about is money, but it's not about money. It's about lifestyle. It's about class. It's about society and philanthropy.
Love, peace, respect. Yeah. Let's all work hard together. Let's win together. Let's be great together, man.
This program is a simple platform to identify our heroes and heroines in our communities that's doing great things. It's not about what you're doing, right? It's who you are and what you represent in life. And all it takes is a peer-to-peer acknowledgement.
Come chat with me.